Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna try our best if we can deploy to a EKS. Mm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Let's begin. Overtime, overtime, na, 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 na. Damn, why are you so butchiki? Right, so in our config map, it's going to be like this, and we're gonna put it like this. Right, so values config map, and in our values, this will be like that. Bam, 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 bam. So what's this? Values. In our values, so this is going to be the configs. Then we're gonna remove this and put that in there. And then we will put this here. Right, so instead of config map, this is now gonna be configs, and in the deployment, the volume will still be this one. The volumes, the config map, nginx config map. This nginx config map. Or we can just call this configs. And the deployment, this will be configs, and that is the name of our volume. And then we're gonna mount to a specific file called nginx.conf and subpath the nginx config, which is this value here. Alright, so let's try this. Let's go to here. Is it here? Let's see if we have our micro KAS dashboard proxy. Right, so it's now running. Copy, paste it here. Right, take that. And never mind her. Never mind her. Alright, so this one, we wanna uninstall that. So uninstall that. Uninstall. And then install again. Alright, so that should be running. Click this one here. Oh, yeah, it's now running. And let's go back and then let's load this. And it's working. So now we have a dynamically injected nginx using Helm to our pod. Yeah. How do we know that it's working? So if we change this to 443, right? So this shouldn't work. So if we uninstall and then install again, if we go back here, go to service, there should be a new IP. See, it's not working because this is using this Nginx configuration now. So let's uninstall and reinstall. So this should work back again, right? So that's it. Now we want to deploy to EKS. So with it will require EKSCTL install in Ubuntu 22.04. And then and me. EKSCTL is a simple command line tool for creating and managing Kubernetes clusters on Amazon EKS. EKSCTL provides the fastest and easiest way to create a new cluster with nodes from Amazon EKS for the official documentation. Installing. For instructions on installing or updating EKSCTL see installation. So this is the installation prerequisite, CloudFormation, EC2 auto scaling, EKS, IAM, system manager. So let's download this. We want to download this for Linux. By the look in your eyes. PowerShell. So this is for Windows. How about for Linux? I want it to be permanently installed in Linux. EKSCTL. Yeah, here. There's the Linux here. So which one is for Ubuntu? Hmm. Awan. Dali lang. Hmm. Nag-record mo ko lang ga. Never mind her. Okay. Okay, now that we have our AKSCTL, let's go to repos and right. So I believe we need um a secondary monitor for this one because we need to put in API credentials or Amazon AWS credentials. So we'll just do this on the next video, okay? Right, bye.